in lockdown. It really helped me to get rid of unwanted hair, and yeah, I'm gonna share my experience with you. So that is 300 rupees, and this is 220 rupees. There are no gel bars. I didn't recognize, I didn't notice it, and it's totally my mistake. Sorry. You can see on this, you can see the gel bars, and on this there are no gel bars. It's only a razor. Now we saw how we fixed it. So how to use it? It's very simple, easy. Wet your hands. Yeah. Oh, so this is the hair on my hand. Yeah, it's smooth. Okay. Now I'm gonna show that previous one. I'll show in front of cam. I hope the result appeared in the camera. This one is literally very soft, and this one is not soft because I didn't remove hair on this part. So yeah, both are good. I'm gonna buy the gel bar one itself because it's amazing. So after this process, we need to apply the moisturizer for the smooth skin, and yeah, that's it. So for today's video, and I had used my Gillette Venus. It's good, but it's better if you go for the gel bar one, which is for 300 rupees. It's a really amazing product than this one, which is 220 rupees. That's only 80 rupees difference is there for both. So you can go for this only. Which one? The Gillette Venus with gel bars rather than without gel bar. Because we don't need to apply the soap or what do you say, anything on the skin before using the razor. but for this we need to use body soap or body shampoo. What do you say? Yeah, both are good. So if any one of you had used this in before, please let me know in the comment section below how you felt after using it. That's it. So see you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.